Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Forum. Today I am going to show you how unsafe is a cave located in Diu, India from the structural point of view. It is believed that when Portuguese ruled over Diu, they broke down the sections of a huge rock formation which they used in construction. This is how the caves got shape eventually. Due to this, it is having an intricate network of tunnels and huge step-like structures which has natural openings which allows sunlight to enter. This place has become now very risky for visitors. Even a small seismic activity can take lives within no time by collapse of this structure. Here we can see that centering props have been kept for the support of the cantilever portions. But providing such type of supports is a temporary solution as it cannot withstand any lateral load in case of earthquake, and even these supports are not enough to withstand the dead load above it. In order to preserve this cave, the government should plan to provide permanent foundation and erect the columns where needed, though it might ruin the interior look of this ancient structure. So friends, if you like this video, please press on the like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching.